Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. Sorry, I had to get my drink. Cheers to everybody. Hope you're having a great weekend. I'm enjoying my day. For the most part, what I had planned didn't really pan out, mainly because of people, crowds, and nowhere to park. So, hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to try lighting a candle with a ferro rod. It's making its way around. Harshman Hills did it. Ryan did it. I'm sure others have done it. If I forgot your channel, my apologies. But got a lot going on. So let's give this a shot. Alrighty. Let's give this a try. So I carry candles in my backup fire kit. Now what I want to do is I want to do a slow scrape and build a little ferrocerium pile and not do that. Damn it. I think you can see where I'm going with this. It's just make a little small pile. Okay, stop there. Now bend my wick down to get into the. Of course, the candle has to tip towards the side. Let's see if we can do this. Let me move my beloved beverage. Okay. Nope. Damn it. Alright. Not as easy as it looks. You can see the ferrocerium scraping up. Oh, it's just started to go too. Dang it. Alright, damn it, come on. I keep striking it too fast because it's just. Come on. Dang it. Let's take a 5-minute break. Alright. So what I'm going to try doing is scraping the ferro rod into the tin here. I just dumped everything out. I'm trying to concentrate all the ferrocerium in one spot. Dang it. Keep scraping it too fast. Let's give that a try. Get that match right down in there. There we go. And the wind blew it out. Thanks, wind. Douche. Alright, well, it took a few tries, but I did actually get it to go. So, yeah. Of course, the wind had to kick up the moment I lit it. It's not even blowing right now. What are the odds? Well, anyway, that's lighting a candle with a ferro rod. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.